guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you all of the flags alphabetical order. So I'll show you. Bye. So this is the flag book. So welcome. Afghanistan. This flag is Afghanistan. This flag is Albania. This flag is Algeria. This flag is Andorra. This flag is Angola. This flag is Antigua and Barbuda. This flag is Argentina. This flag is Austria. This flag is Australia. This flag is Armenia. This flag is Azerbaijan. This flag is Bahamas. This flag is Bahrain. This flag is Bangladesh. This flag is Barbados. This flag is Belarus. This flag is Belgium. This flag is Belize. This flag is Benin. This flag is Bhutan. This flag is Bolivia. This flag is Bosnia and Herzegovina. This flag is Botswana. This flag is Brazil. This flag is Brunei. This flag is Bulgaria. This flag is Burkina Faso. This flag is Burundi. This flag is Cape Verde. This flag is Cambodia. This flag is Cameroon. This flag is Canada. This flag is Central African Republic. This flag is Chad. This flag is Chile. This flag is China. This flag is Colombia. This flag is Comoros. This flag is Zaire. This flag is Republic of the Congo. This flag is Costa Rica. This flag is Cote d'Ivoire. This flag is Cuba. This flag is Czech Republic. This flag is Cyprus. This flag is Croatia. This flag is Denmark. This flag is Djibouti. This flag is Dominica. This flag is Dominican Republic. This flag is Ecuador. This flag is Egypt. This flag is El Salvador. This flag is Equatorial Guinea. This flag is Eritrea. This flag is Estonia. This flag is Eswatini. This flag is Ethiopia. This flag is France. This flag is Gabon. This flag is Finland. This flag is Fiji. This flag is Georgia. This flag is Germany. This flag is Ghana. This flag is the Gambia. This flag is Greece. This flag is Grenada. This flag is Guatemala. This flag is Guinea. This flag is Guinea-Bissau. This flag is Guyana. This flag is Haiti. This flag is Honduras. This flag is Hungary. This flag is Iceland. This flag is India. This flag is Indonesia. This flag is Iran. This flag is Iraq. This flag is Ireland. This flag is Israel. This flag is Italy. This flag is Jamaica. This flag is Japan. This flag is Jordan. This flag is Kazakhstan. This flag is Kenya. This flag is Kiribati. This flag is Kosovo. This flag is Kuwait. This flag is Kyrgyzstan. This flag is Laos. This flag is Latvia. This flag is Lebanon. This flag is Lesotho. This flag is Liberia. This flag is Libya. This flag is Liechtenstein. This flag is Lithuania. This flag is Luxembourg. This flag is Madagascar. This flag is Malawi. This flag is Malaysia. This flag is Maldives. This flag is Mali. This flag is Malta. This flag is the Marshall Islands. This flag is Mauritania. This flag is Mauritius. This flag is Micronesia. This flag is Mexico. This flag is Moldova. This flag is Indonesia. This flag is Mongolia. This flag is Montenegro. This flag is Morocco. This flag is Mozambique. This flag is Myanmar. This flag is Namibia. This flag is Nauru. This flag is Nepal. This flag is Netherlands. This flag is New Zealand. This flag is Nicaragua. This flag is Niger. This flag is Nigeria. This flag is North Korea. This flag is North Macedonia. This flag is Norway. This flag is Oman. This flag is Pakistan. This flag is Palau. This flag is Palestine. This flag is Panama. This flag is Papua New Guinea. This flag is Paraguay. This flag is Peru. This flag is Philippines. This flag is Poland. This flag is Portugal. This flag is Qatar. This flag is Romania. This flag is Russia. This flag is Rwanda. This flag is St. Kitts and Nevis. This flag is St. Lucia. This flag is St. Vincent and Grenadines. This flag is Samoa. This flag is San Marino. This flag is Saint Tomé and Principe. This flag is Saudi Arabia. This flag is Senegal. This flag is Serbia. This flag is Seychelles. This flag is Sierra Leone. This flag is Singapore. This flag is Scotland. This flag is Slovakia. This flag is Serbia. This flag is Somaliland. This flag is Solomon Islands. This flag is Somalia. This flag is South Africa. This flag is South Korea. This flag is South Sudan. This flag is Spain. This flag is Sri Lanka. This flag is Sudan. This flag is Suriname. This flag is Sweden. This flag is Switzerland. This flag is Syria. This flag is the Soviet Union. This flag is Transnistria. This flag is Taiwan. This flag is Tajikistan. This flag is Tanzania. This flag is Togo. This flag is Thailand. This flag is Timor-Leste. This flag is Tonga. This flag is Trinidad and Tobago. This flag is Tunisia. This flag is Turkey. This flag is Turkmenistan. This flag is Tuvalu. This flag is Uganda. This flag is Ukraine. This flag is the United Arab Emirates. This flag is the United Kingdom. This flag is the United States of America. This flag is Uruguay. This flag is Uzbekistan. This flag is Venezuela. This flag is Vietnam. This flag name is Yemen. This flag is Zambia. This flag is Zimbabwe. Jasim Sadiq. The end. So this is my flag book, guys. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Bye, guys.